Hey there, Miss Wilcox here again. Last week we talked about synonyms, which means words that have similar or the same meanings, right? So, for example, happy, glad, right? Tired, sleepy, those mean the same things, right? Well, today we're going to talk about antonyms, okay? And antonyms are words that have the exact opposite meaning of another word. Okay, so they do not mean the same thing. Okay, so let's see if you can help me find some antonyms. Okay, so happy, a synonym for happy would be glad, like I said, but the opposite of happy, what doesn't mean happy at all? Sad, right? If something is really big, what's the opposite? Small. Something is old or young, okay, those are opposites. Light versus heavy. New and old, those are opposites, right? So something sweet, what's the opposite of sweet? This reminds me of candy. I think about, okay, am I in the mood for sweet candy? Or the opposite, am I in the mood for sour candy? Okay, so many means a lot of something, right? The opposite of that would be a few. There's not that many. Okay, cold and hot, day and night, wet and dry are opposites, are antonyms, hard and soft, awake, asleep, fast, slow, healthy, sick, thick, and thin are antonyms or opposites. Good and bad, laugh and cry are opposites. Float and sink, those are antonyms or opposites. Strong and weak. A straight line, a crooked line. Wild, tame, right? So if wild means crazy, tame means calm. And that's our last one. Wild and tame. All right, so remember, synonym means same, but antonym means the opposite. It means not even close to the same, right? So if I am sleepy, okay, an antonym or the opposite would be awake, like wide awake, okay? Another example, let's say that we're talking about lining up at school, and I ask you to line up quickly, okay? But it's opposite day at school, okay? So if I ask you to line up quickly, you're going to line up actually slowly, right? And if I ask you to line up quietly on opposite day, you might line up loudly, right? All right, so remember, synonym means same, and antonym means the opposite of something. Antonym is just a fancy word for the opposite of something. All right, I'll see you guys next time.